There, Ray.
I got a new puppy. I got a new puppy too.
You did.
I took the round thing off.
Did you? Who sent you those sweet puppies?
Poppy.
Do you want to tell Poppy thank you?
Sure. Daddy. Thank you, Poppy.
Raya, do you say thank you, Poppy?
No.
Ah! Poppy sent you your teddy. Say thank you, Poppy.
Thank you, Poppy.
Can you guys say I love you, Poppy?
I love you, Poppy.
Can you blow him kisses?
And thank you for the beautiful stickers. I got beautiful stickers.
Let me see your beautiful stickers. Whoa, look at all those beautiful hearts.
And look at mine.
Are they Valentine stickers?
Yeah.
Your puppy loves you so much, huh?
She's my bed today. She'll never forget. They're all my puppy. They're all my puppy.
It's from your puppy?
Yeah.
Say thank you, puppy.
Thank you, Poppy.
I love you.
I love you.
Do you want to tell Poppy anything, Raylan?
Yeah. Yeah.
What?
Thank you for sending us these great things, and we love you. We can't wait until you come here in Colorado.
Say come soon.
Come soon.
Say bye.
Bye.